Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the NFT Wars token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. I'm going to be showing you step by step everything that you need to do in order to purchase this token. But before we get started, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials coming out on this channel, showing you guys how to buy, how to sell, and lots more. So if you guys are interested in crypto, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel, as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first thing we want to do is open up our Trust Wallets. And once we're in our Trust Wallet here, I'm just going to let you guys know I'm not going to show you guys how to create your Trust Wallet, and I'm also not going to show you how to buy Ethereum or transfer Ethereum into your Trust Wallets. If you guys are new and you don't know how to do that, I will have tutorials in the description as well as in the comment section down below for you guys to watch if you need to learn how to do either of those two things. But I'm going to assume you guys have your Ethereum inside of your wallets here already. So just be sure to go watch those tutorials first if you don't know how to do that. But if you do already have Ethereum inside of your Trust Wallet, you guys can continue to follow along from where I'm at right now. So what we need to do at this point, once we have the Ethereum in our wallets, is just head over to CoinMarketCap, and I'll have a link in the description over to CoinMarketCap for you guys, and it'll bring you directly to the page for the NFT Wars token. And what we want to do when we're on this page here is just go down to where it says contracts and just copy the contract address. I'll have a little red circle around it right there for you guys just to copy it. And then once you have that done, we can go back into our Trust Wallets. Once we're back into our Trust Wallets here, we want to go to the top right of the screen where we see the two lines and two circles. Click on that, then just go to the top search bar and paste that contract address in. Once you guys do that here, we'll see Add Custom Token. So we just click on Add Custom Token, and then just make sure the network is on Ethereum. It should be there by default. And once you have that there, you just go ahead right beside contract address and just click on Paste to copy the contract address in. And then we'll have the name, the symbol, and the decimals automatically load in here for us. Once we have that in here, we can go ahead and click on Save in the top right corner. And then we'll have our token ready to go inside of our Trust Wallets. So now all we have to do is just go over to Uniswap, and I'll show you guys what to do next. And of course, I'll have a link in the description for that as well as in the comment section. So if you guys just head over to Uniswap, it'll just look like this. And all we want to do is just go over to connect our wallet. So just click on Connect to a wallet right here. And then we're going to be using Wallet Connect. So you just click on Wallet Connect. And then here it's going to ask us to choose a preferred wallet. You guys can use any one of these wallets if you would like to. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Trust Wallet. So we're just going to click on Trust Wallet here. Then it's going to ask us to connect our Uniswap interface to our Trust Wallet, so we can click on Connect. Then it'll just tell us to go back to our browser, so we just head back to our browser, and we'll know our wallet's connected when we see our wallet address up in the top corner of our screens, as well as our balance of Ethereum right below the Ethereum logo right there. And now all we have to do is click on Select a Token, and we're going to paste that same address we got from CoinMarketCap in this search section here too. And then right here we'll see the NFT Wars token, so we just click on Import, and then Import one more time. And now we just have to decide how much Ethereum that we want to transfer into the NFT Wars token. So let's just say, for example, I want to transfer 0.1 Ethereum. It's then going to show us here that there's no liquidity. We have to click here to trade with V2. So we just click on that to switch over to V2. And then it will show us the amount of NFT Wars token we'll get in exchange for our Ethereum. Now, all we have to do is change our slippage tolerance and just make sure it's on 10%. That is what majority of people are using for this token from what I'm aware of. So to change your slippage tolerance, you just want to go to this little settings gear. Then right here, you'll be able to change your slippage tolerance to whatever you would like. So let's just say if it was 10%, we can go ahead and do that there. Or we could try a little bit lower if you would like to as well. I just know a lot of people are using 10% because there is transaction fees every time you try to go through with the transaction. So you want to make sure it goes through the first time to avoid as many fees as you possibly can. But right there, we're going to use 10% to make sure it goes through. And then once we're done setting that, we can go ahead and exit out of there. And then we just have to click on where it says insufficient ETH balance for me. For you, it should just say swap. Once you click on swap there, open up another screen showing you your rates, like your withdrawal fees and your gas and stuff that you're going to be paying for and things like that. So just make sure you guys understand that. And then, of course, you can click on swap one more time. Once your transaction is gone through, we can go back over to our Trust Wallets and open that up. And then we'll see our NFT Wars token arrive usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy the NFT Wars token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.